Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, of course, is Beauty on a Budget, and what we will be reviewing today is the Aphrodite Palette by Bad Habit. Of course, this retails for about $15 off of the website Hush, which is where I ordered it from. I'm not sure if it's available in other places. But that's where I got mine from. Some of the glitter shades are kind of clumpy, I guess is the best way to put it. Like, they don't go on as smoothly. Some of the shades are really light though. Not all of them. Some of them, like this red here and this one here, which is one of the clumpier, glitterier ones, are pretty nice. So this is what the palette looks like. I've already done the swatches for quite a few of them, so you can definitely tell. There is a good bit of fallout in some of these, so let's go ahead and see if we can blend them. I guess we're gonna go in with this color Koi here. We're just gonna put that all over my eyebrow, my eyelid, all that good stuff. Also, I am using a Wet n Wild brush. I have no idea what sizes they are. I don't even know if Wet n Wild uses brush sizes, but here we go. All right, so we will just put this in there, and I can see the dust flying off this thing. I don't know if you can or not, but it is very dusty, which I can't expect too much with this only being a $15 palette, but like I said, we're on a budget, so we do what we can with what we have. So of course this is a really light shade. You can't really see it, but I think that's kind of the point. Next, we are going to use, I'm going to do something different that I don't normally do. So I think what I'm going to use is this shade right here. It is called Admire. So let's go ahead and try that and see where we get. I think I really want to try this red, but I don't know how it's gonna work. Ah, Jesus. Well, that just got on my shirt. Are you? What the absolute hell is that? I am so Stop! Shit. Now I have to try and salvage that. Okay, let's just try to move on. Just keep going. Apparently, I just suck at putting on makeup. Okay, so the next color we're gonna go into with this tiny little, almost like an edge brush, is Heartbreak. And that is this black color right here. Hopefully I can salvage this look and maybe not look like a idiot who doesn't know how to do their makeup, which obviously I don't, because all the products that I buy are $20 or less. So let's move on. This is falling out like hell, so much so that it is underneath my eye. Great. I look like a raccoon. Wonderful. That's what every girl wants to look like, is a raccoon. Oh, God. Oh, wait, let me tap this off because the fallout is real. This black color goes everywhere in this palette. Everywhere. Okay. Okay, so I think that's probably as good as we're gonna get. I think I'm gonna try this one here, which is called Love. And let's see if we can pat this on our eyelid and actually make something pretty out of it. Let's see. So there's definitely a good bit of glitter falling down, but it's actually not going on too badly with the brush. It didn't work too well on my swatch on my arm with my finger. It kind of clumped up, but honestly, this is not that bad. Just so you guys know, I am not sponsored by any of this. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Sponsors, hit me up. So I have a huge pet peeve with my pigment not being all the way down to my lash line. That just drives me insane. So, I mean, overall, that's really not that bad. Really, really, really not. I am going to clean this up a little bit and put some eyeliner on and my lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I did put on my eyeliner and everything off camera. This is the final look. I do think this would be a good look for like Valentine's Day or anything like that. And now it's time for me to give you my final thoughts. It's honestly really not that bad. There is a lot of fallout, so you definitely have to be careful of that because I did get some on my face, all over the place. There's probably still some on my face, especially the black. It fell out everywhere. Other than that, for it only being $15, this is a pretty damn good palette. So I definitely think this is worth the $15. Oh, also, I almost forgot. I will be putting out videos every Wednesday, maybe possibly Mondays as well. So we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.